Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, in Coimbatore city, the bus route numbers consist of a natural number less than 100 followed by a single letter from A to F. How many different bus routes are possible? So what is the question? The bus routes are given numbers and these bus route numbers consist of a natural number followed by a letter from A to F. So first we will be having a natural number from 1 to 100, less than 100. It is given a natural number less than 100. That means it will be from 1 to 99. And then second number, it is a letter actually from A to F. Any letter from A to F. So 1A is one route possible. 98B is one route possible. 50C is another route possible. So likewise, how many different bus routes will be possible? That is the question. So how it is named? First, we are giving a number from 1 to 99 and second is a letter from A to F. So how many different bus routes will be possible? So how many ways we can select this number or this position? How many ways we can select? It can be done in 99 ways. There is 1 to 99. So 99 possibilities are there, or it can be selected in 99 ways. So in using combination, how we can say 99C1, which will be same as 99. Okay. So there are 99, total 99 possibilities are there, out of which we are selecting 1. So 99C1 will be the total number of selections possible. 99C1 is equal to 99. So two ways you can understand this. 99 possibilities are there, out of which we are selecting 1. So it will be 99C1, or simply speaking 1 to 99. 99 different ways we can select any number for the first position. Similarly for the second position, it will be 6C1, which is equal to 6. So second position will be 6C1 is equal to 6. So totally you have to multiply. So first position 99 ways and second position 6 ways. So in total we will be having 99 into 6. So this many number of bus routes will be possible. So 99 into 6 is equal to 594. So all these are multiplicative. First position, how many different possibilities are there? Second position, how many different possibilities are there? So if you multiply both, you will be getting the total number of possibilities. Second question, Raju has 3 shirts and 4 pairs of trousers, and any shirt can be worn with trousers. In how many ways can he wear his shirts and pair of trousers? So he is having shirt. How many pairs of shirts are there? He is having 3 shirts and how many pairs of trousers? 4 pairs of trousers or 4 pants he is having. So any shirt will go with any pant. So how many ways he can wear this? That is the question. So this is also a very common question asked in competitive exams as well as in riddles also. Such questions may come. So Raju is having 3 shirts and 4 pairs of trousers. So how many different ways he can wear this? So how many ways these 3 shirts can be worn? There are 3 total shirts, out of which he is selecting 1. So 3C1, or it is equal to 3. So 3 ways he can wear the shirt. And how many ways he can wear the pant? The pants can be worn in 4 ways, or 4C1. 4C1 is equal to 4. So some may be confused how this 4 came simply. So that is why I am telling in terms of combination also. So there are total 4 pants and he has to select 1. Since this is selection, you have to go with combination. Permutation means arrangement. Combination means selection. So here a shirt is selected, a pant is selected. So it is a case of combination. So how many ways he can select a shirt? Out of 3 shirts, he has to select 1 shirt. So it can be done in 3C1 ways. And how many ways he can select a pant? It will be 4C1 ways. So 3C1 is same as 3. So 3C2 means how you will be writing it? 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. That means what is the digit coming down? It should be written like this. So 3C2 means starting from 3, 2. One more number has to be written. Similarly in the numerator also. So NCR means you have to write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to R digits should be, R number should be here in the numerator. Similarly denominator you have to start from 1. 1 into 2 into 3 into up to R it will go. This is how you can write NCR. So that is how 3C1 is equal to 3. Only one number needs to be written. So 3C1 is equal to 3 and 4C1 is equal to 4. Now what is the total answer? Total answer will be you have to multiply both. It is multiplicative. So 3 into 4. So there are 12 ways in which you can wear these shirts and trousers. Next question. Manu wants to go to another country by ship and return by air. He has a choice of 5 different ships to go by and 4 airlines to return by. In how many ways can he perform the journey? So what is the given question? Manu is wishing to go to another country and he is planning to go by ship and he is planning to return by air. So there are 5 different ships to go and there are 4 airlines to return by. So how many ways he can perform the journey? Okay, so he can select one ship and another airline. Suppose the number of ships here is A, B, C, D and E. And the airlines are P, Q, R and S. So he can select AP, that is one option. Second will be AQ. Third will be AR. Similarly, he can select BP or BQ. Likewise, how many possibilities are there or in how many different ways he can perform the journey. So this also same way. How many ways he can go? He is going by ship. So totally 5 ships are there and out of that he is selecting one. So 5C1 possibilities are there. 5C1 is equal to 5. And for returning he is having 4 airlines. He has to select one. So 4C1 ways are there. So 4C1 is equal to 4. Here selection is done. Therefore it is a case of combination. So in total it will be multiplicative. 5 ways he can go and 4 ways he can return. So totally there are 20 ways in which he can perform the journey. In how many ways can 2 vacancies be filled from 12 men and 4 women if one vacancy is filled by a man and other by a woman? So there are 2 vacancies in total and out of these 2 vacancies, the one vacancy should be filled by a man and one vacancy should be filled by a woman. Okay, so there are 2 vacancies. So one man should be selected and one woman should be selected. So how many ways these 2 vacancies can be filled? So in total how many men are there? 12 men are there. So out of these 12 men, one man has to be selected. So it is compulsory that one vacancy should be filled by a man. So out of these 12 men, one man has to be selected. So it can be done in 12C1 ways. Similarly, in how many ways a woman can be selected? In total there are 4 women and you can select one woman from this 4 women. So it will be 4C1 ways. 4C1 ways you can select a woman from 4 women and 12C1 ways you can select a man from 12 men. So in total how many ways will be there? It is 12 into 4 which is equal to 48. So there are 48 ways in which you can fill the 2 vacancies. Thank you for watching.